feel better in 10-minute easy yoga stretch for tension relief. Welcome. This is a gentle 10-minute yoga stretch to help you feel better, both in your body and your mind. As always, skip or modify anything that doesn't feel right today. This is your practice. Let's begin in a comfortable seated position. Whatever that looks like for you, legs crossed, kneeling, or even seated in a chair. Place your hands gently on your knees or in your lap, palms facing up. Sit up tall, close your eyes if you'd like, and begin to deepen the breath. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale deeply through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. One more time. Breathing in calm and breathing out any tension. Now slowly begin to draw some circles with your torso. Just gently circling the spine, forward and around. No rush. Let this feel natural. If it feels better, try swaying side to side instead, just exploring what your body needs. Let your breath lead the way. Inhale as you come forward. Exhale as you round back. Soft music fades in. Beautiful. Come back to center. Let's gently take the left ear towards the left shoulder, feeling a soft stretch through the right side of the neck. You can stay here or gently place your left hand on the head for a little added weight. Breathe into that space and release. Let's switch sides, right ear to right shoulder. Soften the jaw. Relax the shoulders. Come back to center. Now let's move to a tabletop position. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Start to move organically here. Maybe cat-cow. Inhale, lift the chest. Tailbone lifts. Exhale, round the spine, tucking chin to chest. Or maybe you want to circle the hips. Shift forward and back. You choose. No right or wrong here. Just gentle movement. Pause for breath and movement. From here, tuck your toes under and send your hips back to a gentle child's pose. Arms stretch forward or maybe rest beside your body. Knees can be wide or together. You can also place a pillow or blanket beneath your hips or chest for more comfort. Let the breath soften you. Inhale into the ribs. Exhale, soften into the floor. Music swells slightly and softens again. Now slowly rise up and lower yourself all the way onto your belly. Place your forearms in front of you, elbows under shoulders, coming into a gentle sphinx pose. Press the tops of your feet into the mat. Lengthen through the spine. Option to stay here, or gently gaze over one shoulder, and then the other. Just a gentle twist through the neck and upper spine. Let's release, lowering the chest down, and gently press back once more into a child's pose for a breath or two. From here, come to lie down flat on your back. Stretch the arms overhead. Take a big full body stretch, toes to fingertips. Now walk the upper body slightly to the left side of your mat, and your feet as well, coming into a soft banana shape. You can cross the right ankle over the left if you'd like. Feel that stretch along the right side of the body. Breathe here. Short pause and release. Walk back through center and then take it over to the right, maybe crossing the left ankle over the right. Breathe into the left side of the body. Return to center. Bend the knees now, feet on the mat, arms relaxed at your sides. Let the knees gently fall to the left. Maybe look to the right for a soft spinal twist. You can always place a pillow between or under the knees here. Breathe into the belly and exhale to release tension from the spine. Bring the knees back up and gently let them fall to the right, maybe turning your gaze to the left. Inhale, exhale, soften, come back to center. Hug both knees into the chest, big squeeze. Maybe rock gently side to side. Notice how your back feels now. Notice your breath, and then release the feet down to the mat. Arms to your sides, palms facing up. Take a moment here to rest in stillness. Feel the ground supporting you. This moment, just to be. No effort, no expectations, just your breath and your body. Music softens to nearly silent. Begin to gently bring movement back. Wiggle the fingers, the toes. Roll to one side, whichever feels natural. Use your hands to press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Let's take one final breath together. Inhale, arms rise overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Namaste.